With a two-hander, it's a really interesting process because so much is dependent on two actors. Each one carries half the show. And collaborating with Tom McLeister and Sarah Hankins has just been an absolute thrill. Both of them are these terrific clowns who say yes to everything and are game to try out everything. They're open to changes all throughout the rehearsal process. And on top of that, they're really on top of the moment-to-moment action of each of the characters. Sarah, as Georgie, has this really wild and whirling energy that she brings to this character who loves life incessantly. Tom McLeister, as Alex Priest, has this infinitely big heart and this ability to both charm you in the rehearsal process and also in the show, to charm you and also to surprise you because he is always willing to play. Tom also has a wealth, just Tom himself has a wealth of these incredible stories. He really is a storyteller, and you can see that in Alex Priest. Alex has these incredible memories that haunt him, that inspire him, that he carries with him every day throughout the world. And there were actually times in the rehearsal process where Tom would tell a story and we weren't quite sure if that was a story from Tom's perspective or Alex Priest's perspective, but he really does understand the deliciousness of words and of telling a great story. And Sarah Hankins really just has in her core the vivacity that is Georgie Burns and all of her love of life.